Yeah, you guys, check it out, check it out. My package just came. Let's see if I can get a little bit more light on. Ooh, this one's heavy. And then this big box. Oh, man, oh, those are the, oh, cool. Okay, those are my 2 boxes. I wasn't expecting them today, it's Sunday. What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are a new subscriber, what is good? I am SkittleFabs. I'm an SRT4 fanatic that releases at least 1 to 2 videos per week. I try to do 2+ videos, but life and work and everything else gets involved. But if you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing, and definitely tell your friends about my SRT4 channel, because I am very enthusiastic when it comes to making videos for you guys, to entertain you guys, to show you guys how-tos, etc. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys my packages. I thought I was gonna get 1 big package, but I actually got 2. You guys probably seen that on the community post on YouTube. If not, you guys seen some stuff somewhere. I want to go ahead and unbox it all. I'm gonna show you my final piece that I've been wanting for this SRT4 for a long time. New downpipe, 3-inch. This is one of 2 packages because I know the other package has the most wanted piece. Alright, before I go ahead and actually show you guys, I just want to go ahead and take a quick peek. Oh, okay, so this big box is just one thing. I wasn't sure. I thought it maybe had like other pieces in there, but this is what I got, you guys. I got myself the WeatherTech window vents that I've been wanting for a long time, and these actually go inside the seals so they don't get like blown off by the wind and or pushed with your hand when you're going ahead and, like, you know, flicking your butt. I want the extra wind to blow through my car, especially during the times when it's raining. So you can see that I have no vents. There they are. I'm not going to go ahead and install these today because of the fact that I want another video of showing you guys how I installed them. These are the back, but I'm going to show you what each of them look like. This one right here is the driver's side. And well, this one doesn't have sticky tape, but I want to go ahead and put sticky tape here, double-sided. That way nobody can go ahead and take it. And I don't understand why they wouldn't have gone ahead and sent you some. It's on this side, on the rears, but there's none on this. So, well, after looking through the instructions here and the bag, I don't have any double-sided tape for the fronts. So that's what the front WeatherTech looks like, which essentially will go in there and go in there, which I'm gonna like a lot better. And made in Germany. And then this is the rear, so you can see how the rear is. And I'm assuming they did that because of more force, maybe, to suck it out, pull it out. I'm not 100% sure, but someone can leave a comment in the comments below. Let me know if you guys have ever gotten these and had double-sided sticky tape in the front. So I'm gonna package those things up. Those things look nice. I'm glad I got them. And then we got package number 2. So if you guys are liking this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you've ever had these window vents, you know what is inside this box. Wonder if there's a lot of popcorn in here. Yep, figures. Some of you guys have told me that I need new, shorter polyurethane end links. I got the front and rear end links so I could swap out my stock ones. I swear to God, this stuff is dangerous, especially when a little piece gets to you and you want to try to get it off. So end link set 3 1/4 MNTG length. Doesn't specify if this is. Oh. Okay, so that's a front. This is a red set, which is cool because my car is red and black. It's cool. So these ones are a little bigger than the ones that are red. You can see the size difference. So you can see the dowels are different too. The bolts are shorter. So that's this side. And then we got this piece right here, which I got the one with no cooler. This is one of the newest upgrades that you can get for your Neon from Modern Performance. Okay, before I do anything, real quick, I'm gonna go to modernperformance.com. Then I'm gonna go search billet oil filter housing. Let's just do filter. Most likely it's not gonna come up with any other. Yeah, so right there, MPX billet oil filter adapter. When upgrading the oil system on a 2001 to 2010 2.4 liter, you can upgrade from the OEM one, which you can see to the left, and on the right is the MPX. And like I will explain, you can upgrade to an oil pressure sensor on the back of it. It's made out of billet aluminum, and I guess that's what happens to the OEM ones. They sell this kit with 3 pieces of hardware, and it's bubble wrapped. I didn't really give you just a one-handed thing, guys. Oh my God, that thing is beautiful. You guys see this thing? This is a CNC machined oil filter housing. And this little piece right here, if you want to add on either what I have. Auto meter, 100 psi, 1/8 to 27th NPTF, model number 2242. That's exactly what's on my engine on the back. You guys see right there, that's it. If you guys are in need of one of these, I got a link in the description. It's gonna go to Amazon. It's the cheapest one I could find anywhere on the internet. I don't have AEM, I actually have another brand. I totally have a brain fart because I'm just looking at this and being like, wow, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's gonna move so much more oil and stay cooler instead of getting hot like the OEM one does. This is so awesome. But I can look at that later. I want to show you guys the other pieces that I've got. Well, I might as well show you the difference. Since I'm going 3-inch, you guys, I got myself I believe it's a QTP cutout. So that's that. Got this piece, which goes on to the cutout, the electronic cutout. So that's I'm just gonna be pushing it down. I only did that because I wanted to protect the electronics. This piece. Which you need this piece to run this piece. You can have this piece, but there's no point to it because you essentially run this. So this is the switch. I'm assuming I can go ahead and mount wherever I want, which is awesome. I didn't realize it came with a switch. And that is the QTP electronic cutout. That's the motor. And it gives you a good amount of wire. So it looks like you can run this into the car and then plug this into the console or hide it wherever you want. I like that. So this is the 3-inch. Essentially, it's going to be bolted up like this. Hard to hold it. And then this will be facing downwards. I can't wait to get this installed. I really can't. I was going around and seeing what's left in here. They actually, oh, they sent me a QTP sticker and the installation guide. Another QTP sticker. Looks like that's it. Just a bunch of popcorn.